Eye health is a crucial part of our overall well-being. In holistic medicine, the eyes are seen as more than just organs of sight. They reflect our inner health. Caring for our eyes holistically means looking at the whole body. Holistic eye health involves proper nutrition, lifestyle choices, and natural remedies. Herbs play a significant role here. They offer gentle, effective ways to support eye function. Using herbal remedies can help prevent and treat common eye issues. The goal is to maintain good vision throughout our lives. With the right approach, we can support eye health naturally. This essay explores various herbal remedies and how they can benefit our eyes. Taking a holistic approach means understanding and addressing the root causes of eye problems. Let's delve into common eye issues and how herbs can assist in maintaining eye health. Eyes are delicate and can experience many issues. Common problems include dryness, strain, and poor night vision. Dry eyes can result from prolonged screen time or environmental factors. Strain often comes from reading or working on computers for long periods. Poor night vision can be a sign of aging or nutritional deficiencies. These issues can impact daily life. They can make simple tasks challenging and reduce overall quality of life. Addressing these problems early is important. Holistic medicine offers natural solutions. By using herbs, we can alleviate symptoms and improve eye health. Identifying the underlying causes is the first step in choosing the right herbal remedy. Knowing the symptoms helps in selecting the appropriate herbal treatment. Next, we'll explore specific herbs known for their benefits to eye health. Herbs have been used for centuries to support eye health. They contain compounds that can nourish and protect the eyes. 3 key herbs for eye health are bilberry, Ginkgo biloba, and fennel. Bilberry is rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds strengthen blood vessels in the eyes and improve circulation. Ginkgo biloba enhances blood flow, which can help with conditions like glaucoma and macular degeneration. Fennel has anti-inflammatory properties. It can soothe irritation and reduce inflammation. These herbs offer a range of benefits, from improving vision to reducing discomfort. Incorporating these herbs into your daily routine can make a significant difference. Next, we'll look at how to prepare these herbal remedies. Understanding the benefits of these herbs is the first step. Now let's explore how to prepare and use them effectively. Bilberry is a small dark berry similar to the blueberry. It is packed with antioxidants. These help protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Bilberry is particularly beneficial for night vision. Studies have shown that bilberry can improve visual accuracy. It can also help reduce eye fatigue. This makes it a great herb for those who spend a lot of time on screens. The anthocyanins in bilberry improve blood flow to the eyes. To use bilberry, you can make an infusion. This involves steeping dried bilberries in hot water. Drink this tea daily for the best results. You can also find bilberry in supplement form. Bilberry can be a powerful ally in maintaining eye health. Next, we'll discuss the benefits of Ginkgo biloba. Section 5. Ginkgo biloba and vision. Ginkgo biloba is one of the oldest living tree species. Its leaves have been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. Ginkgo improves blood circulation. This can benefit the eyes, especially in conditions like glaucoma. Ginkgo biloba contains flavonoids and terpenoids. These are antioxidants that protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Regular use of ginkgo can improve vision and reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases. You can make a ginkgo biloba tea. Steep the leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes. Drink this tea once or twice a day. Ginkgo is also available in capsule form for convenience. Ginkgo biloba can play a vital role in eye health. Now let's explore the uses of fennel for the eyes. Section 6. Fennel, an ancient eye remedy. Fennel has been used since ancient times to support eye health. It is known for its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. Fennel can help reduce eye irritation and inflammation. Fennel seeds can be used to make a soothing eye rinse. Boil the seeds in water, then strain and cool the liquid. Use it as a gentle wash for tired or irritated eyes. Fennel tea is another option. It can be consumed to support overall eye health. The essential oils in fennel can also be beneficial. They can help reduce symptoms of dry eyes. Fennel is a versatile herb that can be used in various forms to support eye health. With these herbs, various preparation methods can maximize their benefits. Next, we'll look at how to prepare herbal infusions. Section 7. Preparing herbal infusions. Herbal infusions are a simple way to extract the benefits of herbs. An infusion is made by steeping herbs in hot water. This method is ideal for delicate parts of the plant like leaves and flowers. To make an infusion, boil water and pour it over the herbs. Cover and let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the liquid and drink it. This method works well for herbs like bilberry and Ginkgo biloba. Infusions can be consumed daily for continuous benefits. They are easy to prepare and can be made with fresh or dried herbs. The key is to use the right amount of herb and steep for the correct time. Infusions provide a gentle and effective way to support eye health. Next, we'll explore decoctions, another method of preparing herbal remedies. Section 8. Crafting effective decoctions. Decoctions are used for tougher parts of the plant, like roots or bark. This method involves simmering the herbs in water for a longer period. It extracts more robust constituents, making it suitable for certain herbs. To make a decoction, add the herbs to cold water. Bring it to a boil, then simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Strain and drink the liquid. This method is less common for eye health herbs, but can be used for others like roots. Decoctions are more concentrated than infusions. They deliver a potent dose of the herb's active compounds. While not typically used for bilberry or ginkgo, understanding this method is helpful. Decoctions can complement other herbal preparations. Next, we'll discuss making and using tinctures. Section 9. Making and using tinctures. Tinctures are concentrated herbal extracts made using alcohol. They are potent and have a long shelf life. Tinctures are a convenient way to use herbs like bilberry and Ginkgo biloba. To make a tincture, soak the herbs in alcohol for several weeks. Strain the mixture and store it in dark glass bottles. Tinctures are taken in small doses, typically a few drops in water. The alcohol extracts the active compounds effectively. This method preserves the herb's benefits for a long time. Tinctures are easy to use and can be a powerful addition to your herbal routine. Tinctures offer a convenient and potent way to support eye health. Now let's look at practical tips for daily use of these remedies. Section 10. Practical tips for daily use. Incorporating herbal remedies into your daily routine is simple. Start by choosing one or two herbs to focus on. For example, you might drink bilberry tea in the morning and take ginkgo tincture at night. Consistency is key. Regular use will yield the best results. You can also combine different preparation methods. For example, use a fennel eye rinse while drinking ginkgo tea. Pay attention to how your body responds. Adjust the dosage or frequency if needed. Always start with small amounts and gradually increase. This helps your body adapt to the new herbs. Incorporating these tips can make herbal remedies a seamless part of your life. Finally, let's discuss some precautions when using herbs. Section 11. Cautions and considerations. While herbs are natural, they can still have side effects. It's important to use them safely. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new herbal regimen. Be aware of potential allergies. Some people may react to certain herbs. Start with small doses to test for any adverse reactions. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should use caution and seek medical advice. Herbs can interact with medications. If you are on any medication, check with your doctor. It's also important to buy herbs from reputable sources. Quality matters for the effectiveness and safety of herbal remedies. Using herbs responsibly ensures they benefit your eye health. With these considerations in mind, you can safely enjoy the holistic benefits of herbal remedies. Section 12. Conclusion: eye health and holistic well-being. Maintaining eye health is essential for overall well-being. Holistic approaches, including the use of herbs, can provide natural and effective solutions. By understanding common eye problems, we can choose the right herbs to support our vision. Bilberry, Ginkgo biloba, and fennel are powerful allies. Their preparation methods, from infusions to tinctures, offer flexibility. Incorporating these herbs into daily routines can improve eye health and quality of life. However, it's crucial to use herbs safely. Consulting healthcare providers and being aware of potential interactions is important. With careful use, herbal remedies can be a valuable part of holistic eye care. Holistic eye health is about more than just vision. It's about supporting the whole body naturally. With the right knowledge and practices, we can maintain healthy eyes and a healthy life.